Simple and Out has a lot of great ways to automatically update your status, making it the most accurate in-out port out there. We have pioneering features that we built all the way back when we launched in 2011, like geofences, beacons, and Wi-Fi networks. Today, we're going to focus on a solution for your computer, whether you have a Windows or a Mac. We call it Desktop Presence, and it works in conjunction with our application, Simple and Out Desktop. And so, similar to a chat client, we can automatically update your status when your computer is active, and we can automatically check you away or out or whatever when your computer is inactive. So this could be a great way if you're a person who is always working on your computer when you're at the office to be able to automate the way to keep your in-out board up to date. So let's take a look. Now, similar to our other automatic status updating features that we have in Simple and Out, Simple and Out's desktop presence works on what I like to call a division of labor. Administrators will need to set this feature up for their users to use, and then users will enable this feature in the desktop application. So today in this video, we're going to look at both steps of that process. First, let's start as an administrator. So I'm here on simpleandout.com. I'm logged in as the administrator. You can see we already have one of these desktop presence created. We gave it a name of Arlington Financial, and we said when the computer is active, we want the status to be in with a comment of in at Arlington Financial. And when the computer goes away, we want the user status to be changed to out with a comment of left Arlington Financial. So this works out pretty well. Let's go ahead and add a second one because you can have more than one desktop presence setting for your users to choose from. So I'll click Add a Desktop Presence. Now here, all I have to do is give this a name, and then we'll automatically create it with some reasonably decent features or some decent defaults that are more than likely what you're after, but you can configure them later. So let's say we're going to create one for working from home. This is our attempt to allow people who are working from home to use their computer to automatically update their status. So we'll hit Create. Now, when I do that, right out of the gate, you'll see we have a brand new set of settings here. It's called the Working from Home settings, where I am currently in and out based on being active and away. But I want to make some changes to this and make it a little bit better. So we're going to go ahead and click on Working from Home. And that allows me to come in here where I can further customize the status and the comments that are planted when the users are active or when the users are away. So again, as the administrator, I get to set these rules in place. So when the user is active, in at working from home is not really a great name for this. So we're just going to get rid of the in at, and we'll just say we are working from home. And instead of setting the user status to in, let's go ahead and pick a different status. Let's go ahead and pick remote with the little home icon on it. So when we're out, left working from home, not really a great one either. So we'll just say, something simple like away from computer. Whoops. And so this is great because what this does, taking a look at this again, is that I am remote and working from home, and then I'd be out and away from my computer if I were to use this. I'll go ahead and hit update, and we can see this has changed in the settings. So again, as the administrator, my job is to create these rules for our users to utilize. Now let's take a look at what the users can do once these settings have been there. So they'll go ahead and download Simple and Out Desktop, right? It's a free download from our website for either Windows or Mac. Today I happen to be on a Mac, and they will go ahead and click on the settings and go ahead and click on automatic status updates. And from here, they could turn to activate one of these set of rules. Now they can choose which one they wish to utilize. So if they're in the office, maybe they pick this first one, or if they're out of the office working from home, maybe they'll turn on this next one, this last one, which is the one I'm just going to turn on. And when they do so, that's it. That's all there is to it. From now on, my status will automatically be updated based on my computer's desktop activity. And when I'm away, when I've left, my computer will do the heavy lifting and update my status for me as well. So that's all there is to desktop presence with Simple and Out. It's a great way for your computer users to get their status automatically updated quickly and efficiently.